Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to look at delete messages on Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app. Once you are here, you are going to want to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Once you click on it, it will bring you to your profile page right here. And once you get it, you are going to want to click on the three bar in the top right corner. Once you click on that, just click on settings, which is the option right here. So this is for older version of the Instagram app. If it's newer version, then just wait a teeny bit and I will show you guys how to do on here. But once you get to settings, you want to find security, and if it's even older, it will be security and safety or privacy, but just find security. And once you find that, at the bottom of the page there should be options that are talking about your data. You are going to want to click on download my data. So that's how you do it on older version. If you have a newer version of Instagram, then go back to your profile page here and click on the three bar top right corner here. Just click on your activity, which is the second option down for me. Once you get here, you are going to scroll down until you find all the way to the bottom. It says download your information. So Instagram actually saves all your information that you have ever used. So if you downloaded this, you will see all of your data. So if you click on it, then it will send a copy to your email. So you just put in your email and then send it, and then you have to put in your password for your Instagram account. Once you have done that, open to this page right here. Here it will say download request, and it will take up to 48 hours for them to send you to data. Once they send you the data, you can look at your delete messages, and everything is in your account. So this is the way how you can look at deleted messages on Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.